you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta, but this is last month's that just arrived in this month. Do you want to see what's inside of February's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, February's box just arrived and we're almost through the first week in March. I've never had the box arrive so late, but they did send out an email stating that there was an issue and they were going to be shipped out later this time. So now we have it in March. I guess better late than never. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. They do put the mailing label to close their box. So when I remove my mailing label, then it does expose it to being opened. So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what is in March's box. So normally I think there's said something up here, but there's nothing there now. So I guess I won't have to read it. So then this is the box. Thank you for being a part of our glam fam. We truly are grateful for your patience and understanding with our delayed shipping. And we promise we're working diligently to speed up our fulfillment timing so you can receive your goodies faster. We hope that you enjoy February's box celebrating love. With every box purchased, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. That's amazing. I love when companies give back as well, so there's that. Now, this company did just charge me another 3-month subscription and I canceled like the very next day. I missed it by a day. So I do now have 2 more boxes coming, and then I will not be having this one on my channel, at least for a while. I don't know for how long, but I did cancel. So we can see this box and we can see the next 2 months and then say la vie. Fashionsta for now anyway. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see. I mean, that's very cute to have the little rose petals because February is Valentine's Day month, but even if their shipping was on time, we still normally receive it after the 15th. So now we're in March and we're getting rose petals. I would have just left those out if it was me, but that's just me. So let's go ahead and remove this black squiggly things and see what kind of products we have. So the first thing right on top, and I say this in every video, their little black paper that they use gets like a black film over everything that's inside these boxes. And it's just, I don't know, maybe they should start using white or a different kind. I don't know. It just covers everything with that black stuff. But this is Z Skin Nighttime Eye Cream, 100% organic skincare, because then it just makes everything look so dirty. There's not even a safety seal on here and it's already like down to here. So I'm not sure about this product. Most things like this do have safety seals, but here's this. And this says it's $24, organic ancient remedy that helps reduce fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and helps reduce the signs of aging to restore a youthful appearance on your eyes. Vegan and cruelty-free. So there's item number 1. It does say V1, so I must have variation 1. And it says my retail value is $152. So everything in this box should add up to $152. All right, so then the next item in here is Real Her I Am the Best. This is a matte lipstick, and this is in the color I Am the Best. Thanks. Thanks. You said it, not me. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what color this looks like. This is a matte lipstick valued at $18, and it says light in weight and high in pigment, a long-lasting formula infused with jojoba, and I think somebody told me I said that wrong, but whatever. Tomato, the whatever seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out the lips, vegan and cruelty free. So here's the packaging, and it does kind of have like a rose goldish little effect to it, which is pretty. And then, ooh, that's magnetic. That's magnetic. How neat. Alrighty. So then this is what the color looks like. Ooh, that is like a pretty burgundy color. There's that. And so there's that. What do you think? And again, this is in I'm the best. I really like that. So there's item number 2. So now they did show a spoiler on their Instagram, and when I saw watermelon, I was like, you had me at watermelon. I don't even care what it is, but I see watermelon. So this is by NCLA, and we get a lot of their nail product, like a cuticle oil and nail polish. But this is NCLA Los Angeles Watermelon 100% Natural Lip Scrub. Ooh. And again, it's covered in all of this black stuff. And this is valued at $16. And it says 100% natural lip scrub that cleans, gently exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens lips. Formulated with beet sugar, cocoa butter, and agave nectar and sugar to gently exfoliate, while vitamin C and E enhance and brighten for the sweetest lips. Vegan and cruelty free. So this is what the package looks like, and there is a little seal, like sticker seal right there. So let's remove that. And oh my gosh, that's just like watermelon. I can't wait. I'm gonna eat it. Oh, I just want to like stick my tongue in there, wiggle it around. That smells amazing, you guys. Like, I'm gonna go like just scrub my lips just because of the wonderful smells it has. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. All right, so I'm loving that item, and that again is valued at $16. Okay, so now we have is Jet Super Hydrating Skincare All-in-One Jet Serum. And this box, we did receive the Super Jet. It's a cleanser that I have in my shower that I use to cleanse my face from time to time. But this right here, so it's 10/31 of 20 it expires. Okay, so then it's not expired, but it's covered in all this black stuff. This right here is Jet Set Double Dare All-in-One Jet Set Serum is valued at $38. Use in place of a toner and a moisturizer. Use in place of a toner? It says use in place of a toner and moisturizer to effectively boost hydration, protect, revitalize the skin, infused with cactus fruit, shielding the skin against environmental stress and to replenish moisture. It looks like glue. Intensely absorbs, leaving skin soft and subtle. It looks kind of like a Elmer's glue, a little liquidy, but you know. There's like a slight scent to it, but it's kind of odd you use it in place of a toner. I could see using it in place of a moisturizer, but and a toner as well. All right, I mean, I'll try it. All right, so there's this guy, and again, this is valued at $38. Okay, so now that my hands are nice and moisturized, I guess, let's keep on going. So now we have as a Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. So there's the outside of it. There's the back. And this right here is the Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette, $38. A collection of 6 cheek blushes for every occasion, ranging from delicate corals and refined lavenders to, what? Brazen warm cheeks. This airy, light texture gives the perfect flush of color to the skin with this mix of mattes and low sheen finishes. Cruelty, paraben, and toxic free. So there's this little thing in there. So this is what the actual package looks like. And then the actual product is right there. That looks really pretty. This last one right here, this Social, is extremely dry. I can barely get a color off, but I guess there's the colors. There's all 6 of them. I guess some of them I could probably use for eyeshadows if I don't use them for blush, because I normally don't use blush at all, but I'll try it out for something at some point. So there's a palette, again, valued at $38. And then the last item in here is Be Bella Cosmetics Champagne Kisses 1. That's what the front looks like. This says it's valued at $18. Get ready to look fancy while sipping on your favorite champagne with these 16 beautiful shades of warm tones, pop of color, cruelty-free. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it would help if I took it out of the sleeve. So then that's what it looks like on the inside of the sleeve. There's the back, and okay, there's a mirror on the top. And I'm not fond of these little tiny pans. My brush probably can't even fit in that little thing. So this is not something that I'm going to ever grab for. I just know. So I'm just gonna set this aside because I know I will never use it. And this is valued at $18. So that is everything that came in this The Box by Fashionsta. Comment down below, you guys, let me know what you thought about it. Again, it's supposed to be valued at $152. You have this palette that I know I'm never going to use. You have a blush palette that I might use at some point. It just, some of the colors are just really dry, and I don't know there, but that's there you go. I'm really excited about this guy right here. This I will definitely try out. I'm gonna need to clean this off because this black stuff on top just looks so dirty and dingy. Like, I don't like things looking dirty. I like things clean. I don't care, that's just how I am. And then we have this eye cream that has no safety seal on it. And then we have this lipstick right here that I actually really like. So I'm really excited about this, and then I guess this would be my favorite items if you were going to ask, but mainly these two, and that's that. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you think it was worth the wait? Do you get this? Do you want to get this? Again, I did cancel. They did go up to $24.99 a month. They were at $19.99. It is free shipping, and you're supposed to get $100 to $150 of value every month. I just haven't been too impressed with any of the boxes, so it just doesn't make sense for me to keep buying it. So again, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.